I can't stress how important it is for you to look professional at each step of your customer's buying journey.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
What's up, Boss Fam? It's your boy DJ The Boss, and I'm back again with another video for y'all. Appreciate y'all. Love the growth of the channel. It's been great. I love y'all. Shout out to the community members. Y'all are the dope propping up the channel. Got a good one for y'all today, real quick. Looking professional. I can't stress how important it is for you to look professional at each step of your customer's buying journey. This isn't a fake it till you make it type thing. This is just looking professional where you can. First off, in your paperwork, if you look professional enough to get to the point where you can give someone pricing and then you fumble by giving them some terrible paperwork or something that just looks like you did it in a Word document, then it was all a waste. Your efforts were all a waste. I created a proposal template to help you guys. Click the link in the description. It's actually the same proposal template that I still use to this day to submit bids for $100,000 accounts, $20,000, $50,000, $70,000 a month accounts. You know, it's professional. It'll give you an idea and some inspiration on how you can be presenting your pricing and presenting your services to your clients. And this works for any service business, whether you're a landscaper or videographer, or you can use this for anything to submit proposals. So it's a really cool template. You just take it, you open it up, change the colors to your company colors, change the logo, change the names of the client, you know, to whoever you're working with. You know, obviously wherever my company name is, you put your company name. You know, I hope it really helps you guys. But click the link in the description. It's there for you guys. My gift to you. I hope it helps. But you have to look professional, and paperwork is just one of the ways that you need to look professional. So that's not faking it till you make it. That's just showing that you care about your business enough to put some effort into your presentation. If I give you your favorite food on a garbage can lid, it's probably not going to look very enticing to you. Also, when you go on these bids, you know, have on your branded uniform, your logo on your shirt. Look like a company. That's not faking it till you make it. That's looking like you're in business, like looking like you take yourself seriously. So take yourself seriously, dress presentable, present presentable paperwork across all levels. And so before that, there's no reason why your website, your social media, and all of that stuff can't look professional. If you can afford it, get professional pictures and video taken. But if not, you really need to take your time and, you know, with your cell phone, try to get the best quality images that you can. And if they're not the best quality, then make sure that they are highly targeted. Make sure that you're getting everything that you need. And if you're going after a specific client type, then make sure your pictures and videos are of you servicing that particular client type, even if you have to go and do one for free just to get footage. It's that important. Looking professional will take your business so much further. If you think about looking professional at every step of your customer's buying journey, then you will get a lot further and you will close a lot more deals, I promise you. If you guys don't know, I started my cleaning business when I was homeless, and that was the way that I was able to get into these buildings. No, they don't just let a homeless man walk in and start pitching them. I had to look professional online first. My website looked professional as I could make it. I had business cards, and when I went to these locations, I put on the best clothes that I had to look professional, to look like I was trying to do something. Keep that in mind. It is possible for you to go from 0 to 7 figures, and you can do that, and it doesn't cost a lot to look professional online. For the most part, it's free. If you already have pictures, if you're already taking pictures of you servicing clients or of you cleaning, then you're in a good spot. You have something to use. I really hope this helps you guys. I hope this brings you guys a lot of value. Remember to keep professionalism in mind anytime you're going to be showing something, anytime your client is going to be interacting with you somewhere online or in person. Make sure that you're putting your best foot forward and trying to look as professional as possible. Again, go download the proposal template. The link is in the description. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank y'all for subscribing. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos. Don't skip the ads. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.